Welcome to my vlog. My flight day, a portion of my life.
Bye Maya, thank you for your service. So, mamasyal muna kami before pumunta ng airport. Mag-ano muna kami dito sa Venice. Brings back memories. Ganda talaga dito. Hi. Hi. Stop. So, this brings back memories. Hi, Venice. 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 During my Google days, dito kami lagi. Dito ako tumatambay. Ako na sa love place. Ang ganda. Brings back memories. Welcome to my vlog. So this is my fit check today. Going now to, actually we're here in Venice. Stroll lang na isang oras before pumunta ng airport. So wala lang. This brings back memories. Cute. Ganda lang. So, ilang oras na lang. Nasa Austrian na. The memory lane. Hi there, Google. Pero wala ka na dyan. Okay, bye-bye. Hindi ako last minute dito na hitter. Yes. Memory lane. Ha, ha, ha. Video again. Dito na sundo. Si Maya the Raptor. Yeah. Gotta go now. Terminal 1 na to eh. So, andito na. Naiya Terminal 1. Naiya Terminal 1. Bye, Mom! Nandito na. So, nandito na sa Naiya Terminal 1. So, nakalagpas na ako ng immigration and security. So, ngayon, waiting na lang ng 2 hours for boarding and then, kape muna. Mayroon para dito Starbucks coffee, this Terminal 1. I'm gonna miss you, Philippines. Heading now to Gate 11. So, waiting na lang for boarding. Yes. See you, Taiwan. And then, 1 hour lang na ano doon, waiting, and then punta na ng Vienna. Bye-bye! Cheers! Yes, boarding na. Bye na, Pinas! Boarding na ko. Cute ng design ng airplane. I love it. Yes, I love it. Okay, bye Taiwan! Thailand! Nakatao-tao. Love it.